In the world of cybersecurity, we often focus on firewalls and encryption, the digital walls that protect our data. But there's another, more vulnerable entry point, the human element. This is where social engineering comes into play. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people into breaking normal security procedures. It preys on our trust, our helpful nature, and sometimes our fear. Hackers use social engineering to gain access to systems, steal data, or disrupt operations. They might impersonate a trusted individual, trick someone into revealing sensitive information, or even gain physical access to a secure area. The goal is always the same: to exploit human weakness for malicious gain. The danger of social engineering lies in its effectiveness. Technical defenses can be strong, but human judgment can be swayed. A well-crafted social engineering attack can bypass even the most sophisticated security measures. That's why it's crucial to understand this threat and how to defend against it. Social engineering isn't new. History is filled with examples of people using deception and manipulation for personal gain. Think of the Trojan horse, a classic tale of social engineering. The Greeks tricked the Trojans into accepting a gift, a giant wooden horse which concealed soldiers within. This act of deception led to the fall of Troy. Fast forward to the digital age, and social engineering has evolved alongside technology. The methods have become more sophisticated, leveraging the internet, email, and social media to reach a wider audience. One of the most common examples is phishing. Phishing attacks use deceptive emails or websites to trick people into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card details. Another technique is pretexting, where attackers create a fabricated scenario to gain someone's trust. For example, they might impersonate a technical support agent or a co-worker to extract information. Social engineers are masters of disguise, adapting their tactics to exploit current events, trends, and individual vulnerabilities. Social engineering attacks come in various forms, each designed to exploit a different aspect of human nature. Understanding these techniques is crucial for recognizing and avoiding them. One common method is baiting, where attackers offer something enticing, like a free download or a prize, to lure victims into a trap. Once the victim takes the bait, they might unknowingly download malware or reveal personal information. Another tactic is quid pro quo, which involves offering a service or favor in exchange for something valuable. For instance, an attacker might pose as a helpful IT technician, offering to fix a computer issue in exchange for login credentials. Then there's tailgating, a physical form of social engineering. This involves following someone with authorized access into a restricted area. It could be as simple as holding a door open for someone, or pretending to have forgotten their access badge. Protecting yourself and your organization from social engineering requires a combination of awareness, education, and vigilance. First and foremost, be suspicious of unsolicited requests for information, especially those that seem urgent or too good to be true. Always verify the sender's identity through official channels before providing any sensitive data. Educate yourself and your colleagues about common social engineering techniques and warning signs. Encourage a culture of security awareness where everyone understands their role in protecting sensitive information. Implement strong password policies and enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access. Finally, remember that social engineering preys on human emotions. Be wary of requests that evoke fear, urgency, or excitement. Take your time, verify information, and don't be afraid to say no or report suspicious activity. By staying informed and being cautious, you can outsmart even the most cunning social engineer.